Hi, my name is Raphael Pizzaia, and this is my investing journey in eToro. eToro sounded to me like a platform where I could understand my peers and get some insights from my peers. My investment strategy is the financial discipline. I keep consistency on the dollar average cost investment, and I focus on the long term and dividends yield. To say a funny story, hardest part was when people started copying me. People around me started copying me, and they were the most difficult people to deal with. They would ask me all the time if there was what was the issue, and for me was to maintain the long-term idea, always having to explain to them to keep the consistency. Yeah, when I reached 100 copiers, I felt I had a great responsibility, which for me, I wouldn't mind losing some performance in the way. Now I have to be able to explain the rationale behind all the tradings that I do have. So this was a crucial point to understand that I'm accountable for other people's money. Well, my most valuable lesson in the first year in eToro was to learn to be patient. So look long term, avoid the noise, especially in eToro. You can see your peers talking about everything, so you need to be able to listen to the noise, but sometimes should be avoiding the noise. So that was my key lesson, to not be overwhelmed. And how do I adapt? I try to keep myself updated. I also see from the social platform what people are feeling about the changes, and I might buy or sell certain stocks depending on how it goes. My only concern is I don't want to be the follower. I need to understand the macro to be able to respond before everybody already responded and the market's already priced. People that would copy me, it might need to have a long-term idea of investment. I'm not gonna do a day trading because I know I cannot beat the people with the companies that have 100 analysts to analyze. So I believe I have a long-term view about the market, and with my fundamentals, with my professional experience, I believe I can beat the market in the long term.